Hello students, in this video we are going to see the EVS project which is on the topic land degradation. So what is land degradation? That is the introductory part. First you need to write about it. Whatever is your topic, you need to give an introduction about it. So this is the introduction of it. After that you need to write the measures. Then different types of land degradation which we see nowadays. Next, what are the causes of land degradation? Why the land degradation is caused? Next, these are also the causes of land degradation. Next, again we have more causes of land degradation written here. So you can stick some pictures wherever it is required. So prevention and control measures for land degradation, how you can prevent it, how you can control the quality of soil, the quality of land from getting degraded, that is given here. So these are some of the points which you need to mention. Explain the impact of fertilizers which are used for it. So how fertilizers are affecting the land, the quality of soil. So those things are given here. Next, explain the various factors responsible for migration of people. So here the factors are given which are responsible. Then what is eco-labeling and what are its advantage? So about eco-labeling also the details are given here. So it is also one of the method by which the land can be saved from degrading. Next, explain the requirements of green buildings. 4R principle is given, like reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Next is explain the causes and effects of flooding and suggest the correct measures to avoid the flooding station. Last question is explain the environmental clearance process in India. So this is all about the land degradation project for EVS.